If you're struggling to find your voice or speak your truth or speak out at the moment and just want a bit of inner strength and courage and empowerment from within to give you that boost, then I'd like to invite you to try this simple little sequence. Place your hands together like so. Clasp everything apart from the index fingers. It's sort of like a little pistol. This is called the Kali Mudra, and Kali was the goddess of fearlessness, inner strength and empowerment. And we're going to add a little mantra to that. So inhale and say Sat. Exhale, lower the fingers forward and say Nam. Inhale, Sat. Exhale, Nam. One more time. Inhale, Sat. Exhale, Nam. And Sat means truth and Nam means I am. So inhale, Sat. Exhale, Nam. I hope that gives you the inner strength, the empowerment and the fearlessness to speak your truth.